How to fix Grindr swipe or tap input not working. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if Grindr says that swipe or tap input is not working. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Grindr's swipe or tap input is not working, you can first step is to try to force close the app. So if it is open in the recent menu, just swipe up like this to remove it from your recent menu, which will force close the app. Now, aside from that, if you're using an Android device, long press the Grindr app icon, tap on the eye icon here, which is going to take you to your app info page. And when you're here on the app info page, just scroll down to the storage tab, and from storage, tap the clear cache button. And once you've done that, you can also try to force stop the app. So you can see the force stop button there, tap on it. Now after you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store depending upon what phone you're using. Search for the Grindr app and check if the Grindr app has an update. And if it does, then of course do make sure to update it to the latest version. And after you've done that, what you can also do is try to restart your Android or your iPhone and see if that helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.